Namaste, welcome to Sisrekha's kitchen. Today I am making Dahi Wali Shimla Mirch or bell peppers with yogurt. To make bell peppers curry with yogurt, I have taken 2 medium size bell peppers and sliced them. I also took 1 medium size onion and sliced it. I want to thank all of you for watching my videos, liking them and sharing them. Please don't forget to give me your feedback. To this onions and bell peppers, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can add a little bit more if you want. Some salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Toss them so the vegetables will be coated with all the spices. Depending on the amount of vegetables you have, you can adjust the quantity of spices. Last thing, I am adding 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Toss them all one more time. Now let us make the curry. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and heat it on medium heat. Add the bell peppers and onion coated with masala to the oil and give it a stir. Rinse the bowl with a little bit of water and add that also, but don't add too much water. You can cover it and cook just for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, look at the curry. It is cooked a little bit. Give it a stir and add about 3/4 cup of yogurt. First I added half a cup and then later I added 1/4 cup. If you have more vegetables, you can add 1 full cup of yogurt. Keep stirring. First it gets watery, but it slowly thickens. Keep stirring and you can notice the water started evaporating. Keep stirring until it oozes out the oil. Switch off the flame and sprinkle some finely chopped cilantro. This curry goes well with chapati, rice and quinoa. Thank you all for watching my video. Please give this a try and give me your feedback. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my Facebook page. Also visit my Telugu channel for more interesting recipes.